How do you structure a personal argumentative essay? Well, every personal argumentative essay begins with an introductory paragraph made of 3 parts: the hook, the thesis statement, and the organizing statement. First, let's talk about the hook, which is a way to get your audience's attention. Hooks may include an interesting fact, a question, or a famous quotation. For an essay on the art of cooking, the hook might be, "Did you know that the 100 folds in a chef's toque are said to represent 100 ways to cook an egg?" For an essay on the role of clothing in our society, the hook might be, "Imagine walking down the street naked. Don't you think there would be something missing?" For an essay on the conveniences of shopping online, the hook might be, "Pope Francis once said, 'Young people are just as attracted to the truth as they are convenience and expediency.'" The thesis statement. It identifies the topic of your essay. It expresses the main idea as straightforwardly as possible. For the essay on the art of cooking that I mentioned before, perhaps your thesis statement would be, "Any customer worth their salt knows that cooking good food is an art." For the essay on the role of clothing in our society, clothing serves several important functions in our everyday lives. And for an essay on the conveniences of shopping online, the internet has transformed shopping into a relaxing and enjoyable activity. The organizing statement is a single sentence that outlines the structure and 3 main supporting ideas of the essay. Cooking is, first, an outlet for one's creativity. Second, the finished product appeals to the senses. And third, a great chef achieves a status in our culture comparable to that of a great artist. Or for our essay on the role of clothing in society, clothing is a cultural necessity in our society, a form of protection, and a source of artistic self-expression. Thanks to the internet, shoppers can now save time, find better prices, and avoid crowds. If you combine the hook, the thesis statement, and the organizing statement, you'll get an introduction, in theory. Probably you'll need 1 or 2 extra sentences to transition smoothly between the parts. Here's an example of an introduction. First, we have our hook. Then, a transition sentence. The next time you go to a restaurant, take a moment to admire the variety of ingredients on the menu and the way they are prepared and combined. This transition sentence leads us into the thesis, and finally, the organizing statement. After the introduction, there are 3 body paragraphs, each beginning with and expanding upon one of the main supporting ideas of your thesis statement. For example, the first body paragraph begins with a sentence that restates the first main supporting idea. This is known as the topic sentence. You can pause the video now if you'd like to read through this whole body paragraph for the essay on the art of cooking. Be sure to take note of the first sentence, which is our topic sentence. After the 3 body paragraphs, there is a conclusion where the thesis and the organizing statement are repeated, followed by a final thought, perhaps a question or a quotation. And that's how to structure a personal argumentative essay.